as you said, I twist with my core, and at the same time I twist with my arm. So that then, as I get to my bounce point, or the valley of the supinate, the very bottom part of the supinate, which is how I get my racket underneath the ball, then I've opened up my body with my core, so then I can pronate. So the pronate is the unwinding of the arm. The unwinding of the arm should be happening at the same time as the unwinding of the core. Very good. So that's why I sometimes give you a hard time, or I remind you that you have to, when you get to this point, your shoulder just can't stop here. Since your arm is unwinding, you have to make sure that your core gets to unwind too. And that's how you're able to start hitting power on the ball. Notice as long as you keep the swing shape the same, it's almost impossible to swing too hard. Once you start swinging so hard that your swing shape starts changing, that's when you know that you found your ceiling. You found the limit which you can swing at right now. And as you get bigger and stronger and more comfortable with the motion, that ceiling will get higher and higher. What did we learn on the serve today? We learned how to wind up the pronation today on the forehand. What did we learn how to wind up today on the serve? The shoulders, very good. We talked about the levels, making sure since our service motion is an upswing, when we get into our trophy pose, rather than having our shoulders be level here, we want to make sure that our shoulders are tilted in this up direction, so that then as you swing, it's loaded down here. And then just like if someone was sitting down here on a teeter-totter, and then someone jumped on this end, it would, boom, catapult it up. So we're working on being able to go here, and then go, boom, up into the motion. Very good job today, Anna. That was a good workout. So you have lots of stuff to work on as you're out here practicing with your mom and your dad. At the beginning, I don't want you to worry about going fast. Just make sure you get all your pieces in terms of being able to get your turn done at the right height, being able to find your 90, and then being able to get your two twists at the same time, both in terms of loading the twist and unloading the twist. And if you're going to mess up on something, do you want to mess up on the technique, or do you want to mess up on the timing right now? Yeah, timing, because that means you know how to do the pieces, you're just trying to fit them together correctly. If you mess up the technique, then you're just doing the wrong thing. So as long as you're doing the right thing, I'm okay with you messing up the timing. And then we'll just get it better and better as you practice more and more. Okay? Okay. Hold it harder.